Welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about the application Powtoon. We are going to write on the research and then we are going to click on the first options that we have. And basically we need to set up an account. If we don't have an account, we can definitely do that with login or setup. I am going to log in because I really have an account. But if you have an Facebook account or Google account, you can choose one of them. I'm going to choose Facebook because I already have my account with Facebook. It is attached with this application, and then we have a lot of options here: marking video, presentation, more templates, and everything, or a blank if you want to make something like a blank presentation. You can definitely do that. Just create that. I have my creations here and I am going to click on the adjectives. That this is the presentation that I just made, and I am going to explain how to do that, a little bit about it, in order that you are going to have an idea how to do that. And I know that you are very smart and you are going to be able to create presentations, amazing presentations, and everything about your credibility, and also about different things that you can do with this amazing application. Just we need to wait a little bit about this because this is the internet is a little bit slowly today, but we are going to let here we go. I just have here, and we are going to wait a little bit in order that it is going to be charged a lot at all, and then we are going to start explaining a little bit about this application today. We can click on that in order that if we want to change the style of the words, if we want to change, for example, click on here. If we want to change the type of the words or the site, if we want to do that, we can definitely be able to do. Or if we want to change this character or something to add some movements, we can do that. It is a little bit slowly today, my internet, and there we go. Okay, we just have this presentation at all. I have here the name of the presentation that I told you. We can change the style of the words. If we don't like that, we can definitely change another one. For example, here I can add this. We're going to wait a little bit about it because it is a little bit slowly today. But for example, we can go here and we can change the style here. Click on that, or if we want to add the size a little bit, if we want to change the site, for example, more, or we can lower that, or with this, or something different if we want to move to the right, to the center, and everything. And also we can change the color. This is my favorite color. I can select that. It's whatever you want to do with this, and we can add an image. For example, here we have a lot of options here. We can change the background, the color of the background here. We can click on that, and also we are going to have the options right now. Well, the internet, it is so slowly today. That's why we are unable to do that. Mm, because okay, we have here, we are going to change for this color, or maybe this is better if we want to change, but just take care about it, because look, this is not going to, we are not going to be able to read. In this case, we need to change this for example, to this color, in order that we are going to be able to check that. And also, if we want to add some, like some space specific, like some specific movement about it, we can click on that. Just we need to use the free ones, because if we are going to use this pro, it is going to require for money, and we can click on that. And also that I mentioned here, we can change the background. It is about this. We can add image if we already have in our computer. We can definitely like click on that. And also we are going to have the option here. For example, we can add this image if we want to add, and we we are going to have that image here. We can move, or something different that we want to do. This is something great, because we are going to have this option, and we have the report review here in order to do that. And then we can add like some characters here, or if we want to have a shapes image, we can add music too if we want to do that, or some video. This is something amazing, really nice presentation. And then there is a lot of options here that we can use. For example, we can publish and share, we can download and everything. I am going to use the first options, in order that I am going to publish that. And if we want to add any cartoons here, this is going to be the option that I mentioned. I am going to share, publish, and share that. Generate the link, and we are going to have the link. Or also, if we want to present that, we can definitely do. This is an amazing, like a presentation. You can see here. Yeah, very nice, and I hope that you enjoyed this.